Nowadays, it's very hard to find people who would agree to work in the fields in really hard conditions. So we must think of how to automate this work, how to eliminate the labor completely. And the second motivation is a fuel problem. The shortage of fuel pushes us to change to other sources of energy, which we did in our solutions. So we started to drive them completely from electrical battery. To FIRA, we came with 3 different solutions. It's 2 machines for harvesting, Apple Picker and Grape Picker, and 1 machine for weeding. It's a Drum Mulcher, which is presented here in the orchard zone. It shows the diversity of our products and that we cover the whole agricultural cycle, starting from simple operations like removing grass and branches till the most complicated harvesting.